Namaste. Welcome to Blishon Concept Teaching. In this class, we are going to solve the numerical problem of the lesson Electricity, 10th Standard NCERT syllabus. Now, let's solve the question part by part. Two conducting wires of the same material and of equal lengths and equal diameters. For example, see here, they have taken two wires of the same length and equal diameters, and they are first connected in series. These two wires are first connected in series, and again they are connecting the same wires in parallel across the same potential difference. It means in both the circuit the potential difference is same. Let's represent this by using the diagram. First, the two wires are connected in series. Now, the two wires are connected in parallel. Two wires are connected in parallel, and also they have given they are connected across the same potential difference. It means in both the circuit the potential difference is same. Now what we have to find out? Find out the ratio of heat produced in series and parallel combination. Means we have to find out Hs by Hp. To find out this, first let's find out the heat produced when they are connected in series and the heat produced when they are connected in parallel. And we know that we have three formula to find out heat production. First one is H is equal to V into I into T. Second one is H is equal to I square RT. And the third one is H is equal to V square T divided by R. Now tell me, to find out the heat production when they are connected in series and to find out the heat production when they are connected in parallel. In this, which formula I had to use? I had to use this formula. And we can't use these two formula because here I is there. It means current. And current, it is not given in the problem. So we have to use this formula. H is equal to V square T divided by R. Now let's use this formula. Heat produced when they are connected in series. Hs is equal to V square T divided by R. R, yes, means the equivalent resistance when they are connected in series. So first let's find out this Rs. Rs is equal to R1 plus R2. Isn't it? And see here, we know that the two wires, they are made up of same material and of equal length and of equal diameter. So the two wires, they will have the same resistance, isn't it? So the resistance of each wire, let's consider it as R. The resistance of the first wire is also R and the resistance of the second wire is also R, because they are made up of the same material and of equal length and of equal diameters. Therefore, Rs is equal to R1. R1 is nothing but R. and R2 is nothing but R. Rs is equal to R plus R is what? 2R. Okay. Now, let's find out the heat production when they are connected in series. That is Hs is equal to V square T divided by R. V square T, R is nothing but what? 2R. We got the heat production when they are connected in series. Now, let's find out the heat production when they are connected in parallel. Hp is equal to V square T divided by R. Since here they are connected in parallel, we have to find out the equivalent resistance when they are connected in parallel. And we know the formula for the equivalent resistance when they are connected in parallel. That is 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Okay. So here 1 by Rp. And what is the value of R1 and R2? The value of R1 and R2 is R only. Because in both the connection, we are using the same wire of the same material and of the same length and of equal diameter. So here also the resistance of the first wire is R and the resistance of the second wire is R. So in the place of R1, let me replace it as R. And in the place of R2, let me replace it as R. 1 by Rp is equal to, take the LCM, 1 plus 1 is 2. That is 1 by Rp is what? 2 by R. Then equivalent resistance Rp is equal to what? R by 2. This is the equivalent resistance when they are connected in parallel. Now, let's find out the heat production when they are connected in parallel. Hp is equal to V square T divided by Rp. Hp is equal to V square T. Equivalent resistance is R by 2. And we know that the denominator it will go up. That is 2V square T divided by R. That is the heat produced when they are connected in parallel is 2V square T divided by R. Now according to the question, what we have to find out? We have to find out the ratio of heat produced in series and parallel. Means we have to find out Hs by Hp. Isn't it? Hs by Hp. Hs, that is how much? V square T divided by 2R. V square T divided by 2R. And whole divided by Hp. Hp is how much? 2V square T divided by R. 2V square T divided by R. V square T cancels. Okay. R and R cancels. See here, V square T it is in the numerator, V square T it is in the numerator. Both cancels. R is in the denominator and R is in the denominator. Both cancels. Hs by Hp is equal to 1 divided by 2 whole divided by 2 divided by 1. What it will become? See here, 1 divided by 2 into 1 divided by 2. 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4. that is Hs by Hp is equal to 1 by 4. That is, they are in the ratio 1:4. Therefore, this is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. Hope you have understood. Thank you.